So today I'll be showing you how to remove background from photos on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the default image editor on your Galaxy A17 does not support background removal. So you can tap on edit for photos and the features available to you are extremely minimal and removing the background is not one of them. So that means you're going to have to go to the Play Store and download a free app called CapCut. Now there's a paid version of CapCut, but also the free version of CapCut allows you to remove background. So go ahead and install CapCut. Now this is normally a video editor, but you can edit a couple of photos, including removing background. So install it on your phone, and once you open it, you will see the option remove background. So tap on that, and then it's going to ask for permission to access your gallery. So go into your gallery and find that picture whose background you want to remove. So I'm going to pick a photo from my gallery. I'm going to pick this one. Okay. And so tap on add. And then now it's going to attempt to capture the foreground. Now, if you want to do this manually, you can tap on this and manually select the area you want. But CapCut does a very good job at selecting what's in the foreground and isolating it from the background. So if you like it the way it is, you just tap on export. So you can see that's going to export that particular picture without the background. There you go. So just tap on done and that image is going to get saved to your gallery. So let's go to the gallery. Let's just go back. So here's our picture here, and you can see it's without the background. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.